Hi, my name is Michael Ferns and I'm the chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust and founder of Dadli Say Court, a group which was formed for innocent men and boy child. Today basically the topic which I would like to just talk to all our citizens of Goa is that whether we need to form a regional party or not. Looking at the situation today in Goa, and also if you look at the entire picture of the political scenario in India itself, okay, we can see that there has been no change at all, except for the recent change that we got, okay, at the in the Delhi polls, where the Aam Aadmi Party created history and won the elections out there. The Aam Aadmi Party would have been a perfect choice for the people. That is, if certain things had not happened, like for example, letting down of the man who started it all, Anna Hazare ji. He was the man who took this anti-corruption drive, this anti-corruption Clean India program, you know, in which people like Arvind Kejriwal, Kiran Bedi and all these people were basically riding on his back. After they created the mileage, they had the best opportunity to use all that mileage that was given by Anna Hazare, all the hype that he had created, okay. And so what they did was they took the advantage of that and formed their own party, calling it the Aam Aadmi Party. With that, taking the benefit of good work done by Anna ji, going to the people who are looking for a break, going for the people who are looking for a change. The citizens didn't only support the Aam Aadmi Party by voting them into power twice, but also financially. Where Goa is concerned, I would like to talk about my home, which is Goa. Where Goa is concerned, I think the Aam Aadmi Party has been a big joke in Goa. The minute the last elections that took place, when the Aam Aadmi Party won the Delhi polls, everybody got very activated and very charged up, you know, from nowhere to somewhere. And it's like putting all the shutters up because the Aam Aadmi Party had won. Arvind Kejriwal became the chief minister of Delhi. So we had our Goan people, okay, who got charged up and started in a big way. There were a lot of these people who had joined the Aam Aadmi Party, who were actively involved in other parties like the BJP and Congress, who were coming using the platform of the Aam Aadmi Party during the elections, the Lok Sabha elections, which was a big joke. I mean, I've never heard of such things happening in politics, you know. Then they had two candidates who were staunch BJP candidates. One of them, the South Goa candidate who had a record of destroying a school teacher's life by falsely accusing him and registering a complaint against him for child abuse, which eventually was proven that he was proven innocent. I took this matter up to the Aam Aadmi Party people in Delhi, okay, but they played a deaf ear because they were more interested in their own forming their own base. They didn't care what was happening in Goa. Then the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Kejriwal, resigned all of a sudden, letting down the entire hopes of the people of Delhi, going for the big chair, going for the big game. he wanted to become Prime Minister. So he went after Mr. Modi ji. This is a clear indication that this man is hungry for power. Well, this time in the re-elections which happened in Delhi, maybe the people of Delhi didn't believe that this man is power hungry, and they elected him again. But what happened in Goa was the shutters which were pulled down and were silent have been pulled up again, and the same people are trying to ride on the victory of Delhi in Goa. So we cannot go about these things. This is not the way Goa can handle its problems. Okay, Aam Aadmi Party was a hope for the Goans, for India as a matter of fact. But it would have been a hope under the guidance of Anna ji. That hope was totally ruined. But now, what we need is a regional party, and that is the reason why I have come to ask you your opinions as to what do you all think of Goa having a regional party of people who are interested in Goa and not for themselves, following the ideologies of Anna Hazare ji, of anti-corruption. As we all know that Goa 20-25 years ago was a place of innocence. Today, in the year 2015, Goa is one of the highest rated corrupted cities in India, with the gambling coming in, prostitution, drugs, police on the take, not doing their jobs, innocent people suffering, old age homes being neglected which are run by government, so much so that our elders, our senior citizens are dying of negligence and hunger. Our agriculture fields, Goa was once known as the green fields of India, because all we had on left and right of us was nothing but lush green fields. Today we don't see that, because all these trees, all these fields have been destroyed because of these builders that have come, the builder lobbies that have come, raped Goa to such an extent that we have nothing left to offer or nothing left to save. We have a migrant issue where the migrants have come over here and taken over Goa. Today Goans have no say. Today Goans are not given any proper jobs. We are given all the odd jobs, and the proper jobs are not, the high level jobs are not given to Goans. Our politicians who are supposed to be here to look after us, to look after the locals, are not supporting the Goans anymore. And believe it or not, if we do not form this party, bringing in proper citizens who are interested in saving Goa and saving our future generations, this formation has to happen. This party has to be formed. We cannot have 10 regional parties formed. We all need to come together, and we all need to join hands and to create this one big force. Create this one big force and launch and form this regional party which is so badly needed for Goa and for Goans. We have only one manifesto, and that one manifesto explains it all. Our manifesto is any problem that is affecting Goa and the Goans is our manifesto, which has to be taken care of on urgent basis. So, in other words, it covers all the problems from mining to gambling to illegal constructions happening all over, to our fields, our agriculture fields being destroyed, our hills being cut and destroyed, harming the environment, prostitution, drugs, foreigners coming into our land, doing business, threatening the locals. All these things have to stop, and this is going to be our manifesto to clean Goa. Let us get together and clean our homes first before we can think about cleaning somebody else's home. Let us start with Goa. Let us form this party, and let us help Goa by bringing back its innocence that it once had 25 years ago. Goa is crying, we are all crying, and we are all bleeding. Our tears are our tears of blood. And if we do not realize that now, we will never be able to do anything about this. There's going to be the name Goa, but citizens of Goa, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, there is a threat. The name Goa will stay, but with no Goans in it. That is all I have to say. Thank you, and let's fight together, and let's build and get back our Goa that it once was. Jai Hind.